Consistency was a vital aspect of Project Harmony. Campbells consulted with senior managers from all over the world to clarify the overall goals of the IT overhaul project, as well as the direction of future operations. This not only allowed for the review of the current organisation strategy, but also meant that future operations would be fully consistent with that strategy. This was also reinforced by the global framework objectives that senior managers developed. These objectives illustrated the need and provided guidance for a new organisation-wide perspective. The streamlining of all systems across Campbells worldwide was a crucial step in ensuring consistent and achievable organisational IT goals. It remedied the issue of having thousands of different systems all using similar but different processes and allowed a greater level of comparability between various branches of Campbells.
Campbells outsource IBM employees and services. They reduce risks by using IBM's knowledge and expertise. This allows them to save time as well as costs internally and externally, as they would have to develop their own infrastructure. Internally, they increase opportunities by centralizing services such as financial services, and externally, they provide better quality information for customer care employees to pursue less problems to improve customer service and satisfaction. They also help Campbell's employees to focus on their strategic tasks as well as strengths, and IBM's brand name also sets a strong foundation to Campbell's, which protects them from external disasters as well as improves quality with an increased support.
Campbells invested significant time into training and thoroughly preparing all managers and employees for the new systems and processes introduced by Project Harmony. This allowed all employees to feel comfortable with the new processes and gave everyone a sense of responsibility to foster and improve those processes. The resultant real-time information also empowered employees to access more information and suggest further improvements to processes. The restructuring of job positions also clarified what process roles needed access to what information to ensure that the right people could use the right information at the right time. Consequently, it became evident which roles should have different levels of access to different information, and so realignment of user access ensured responsible use of the new IT systems and information.
Campbells employed many key strategies to address risk management. Firstly, they created steering committees. This gave one point of contact rather than having mixed messages from different teams, so it was the same message from start to the end of the SAP implementation. The next strategy they used was train the trainer. This is where they created a group of super users who would then pass on their knowledge to others. This ensured that there was one point of contact to make sure everybody got the same information. Another strategy they used was phased implementation. This is where they started off in a smaller sub-company, specifically one in Canada, where they ensured that it would actually work. Once this was up and running, they moved on to the next sub-company and so forth and so forth. This ensured continued production during the SAP implementation and ensured there was no production downtime, which would mean loss of revenue.